Stalling is what happens when you fly too slow or the attack angle of the wing is too high. In this example, the left wing of the airplane stalls. It can't produce enough lift to keep the airplane in a level flight. This is the reason why most aircraft crashes happen.
Start.
As a part of the pilot training, we are required to do some stall exercises on the sky. That is so that if we ever end up in the actual stall, we recognize what's going on and we can fix the situation before it gets out of hand. But in the pilot training there is a part where you have to stall the airplane and fix what you just caused. So here is what went down. We took off as usual, gathered some altitude to about 3,000 feet. And then tried a couple of ways to stall the airplane. Vertically, on its wing. Just flying low speed and with the flaps down. We also tried different scenarios and maneuvers to get the plane out of the stall. That was one a bit different flight lesson. That was a bit scary, can't really lie. Having no strings attached roller coaster very high up, where you can feel all the G-forces. Hopefully I won't encounter that in real life in my aviation career.